Hello, welcome to this update. So there's the enhanced risk of severe weather today in parts of Nebraska, northern Kansas, southwestern Iowa, and northwestern most Missouri. So tornado threat just 5% in those areas and some other areas, and 2% from North Dakota to Central Texas there. Wind 30% in the enhanced risk and hatched for strong wind there, and 15% from northern Louisiana to North Dakota, and 5% from Central Texas to North Dakota to all the way to Atlanta, Canada. So hail, the same deal, 5% from Central Texas to southeastern Montana, North Dakota, Minnesota, all the way to the northeast, mid-Atlantic, in Atlanta, Canada there, and hatched for large hail in these main areas. So let's see, scattered severe thunderstorms are possible across the Great Plains this afternoon into tonight, where a few tornadoes and isolated very large hail are probable. The most likely concentration of severe winds is expected portions of the central Great Plains this evening to tonight. Some of these could be significant, from 75 to 85 miles per hour. So this is today. Please be very careful. Let's zoom to specific regions first. So first, the south central region, then we'll zoom north. So there's this here. Let's see. The storms, the remnants from yesterday there, still affecting parts of Arkansas and Mississippi, and some more storms maybe fire in Oklahoma there, Texas, and more storms in Kentucky and other areas there, but maybe not so strong as these new ones forming there. So you see the storms firing Texas, Oklahoma there, and some stronger ones, some line up there in Nebraska that we'll see in a minute there. But this model is short range, so it doesn't go further here. Let's see Nebraska. So here you can see the whole system, so some moisture up there, some storms coming from Montana into North Dakota, and some storms firing South Dakota and North Dakota there. More some in Nebraska by later today. They form like a line there. Some damaging winds, maybe some hail and isolated tornadoes, but this doesn't go further here, so you have an idea. We can see the name if you want. So it stopped here, and then the line continues there. Some storms affect Iowa and Missouri later on, and the low pressure goes into Canada there and brings some snow into North Dakota and parts of Manitoba there, and some more storms down south, and that's kind of far. All right, let's see the next few days here. Day 2. So a big slight risk was added from Texas to southern Wisconsin, and a marginal from Texas to South Carolina to Wisconsin, Michigan. So tornado just 2%, wind 15% and a 5%, and hail hatched in parts of the southern areas of the slight risk, and a 15% and a 5%. Severe thunderstorms capable of damaging gusts and very large hail are possible across middle Mississippi into lower Ohio Valley vicinity on Friday. Damaging gusts and large to very large hails also will be possible in parts of southeast Oklahoma and the Arklatex area. So this is tomorrow, Friday, be aware. But now Saturday is very crazy. They just had an enhanced risk from North Texas to Kansas on Saturday, and a slight risk from North Texas to Nebraska, and a marginal from from Texas there to Nebraska, and all the way to the Mid-Atlantic. So potentially significant severe thunderstorms expected across portions of the central southern plains vicinity on Saturday. All severe hazards are possible, including a couple strong tornadoes, damaging gusts, and very large to large hail. So this will be big on Saturday, even a hatched significant there. We'll see, maybe goes to a moderate risk on day 1. So we already have an enhanced risk on day 4 too, 30% chance of severe weather there. in part from northwestern Missouri, northeastern Missouri to southern Indiana there in Kentucky, northern Tennessee and those areas. So actually this northeastern Arkansas and southeastern Missouri, yes. Okay, so very significant event likely too on Sunday, day 4. Regional severe weather episode expire on day 4, significant severe thunderstorm scale of all hazards. So let's see. Day 5, too low, too low, too low. Okay, so just day 4 and day 3 are the main events. So here the weather prediction center, we have some heat wave advisories there for the south. Some overviews here. Quantitative precipitation, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. Day 1 through 7, some excessive rainfall, slight there. And then today, a slight. Day 2, a marginal. Day 3, a slight. Day 4, a marginal. And day 5, a marginal. So, quantitative precipitation I told you. Now winter weather. So this is the snow forecast for today there. And let's see hazards forecast there, because they recently added some heat hazards for parts of the south there, for Florida, Louisiana, Texas. That orange is some heat hazards possible next week. Wildfire hazards there, flooding, severe weather, and etc. So let's see here if Canada has something else. So now they just have that rainfall warning down south there. And let's see here. And there's still, for day 1, it's mainly in the US there, but we can have some isolated storms in Atlantic Canada there. So this is it, I think. Thanks for watching, and let's just see the hazards here, so you have a quick idea. So heat advisories there in southern Texas, some freeze watches, winter storm warnings there, frost advisories, some flood watches there in those areas. Wait, what happened here? So yes, so and some other things there. So stay safe.